Thank you for being here today. My mother lived 91 wonderful years, a life filled with love, strength, and family. She was the heart of our home, and her warmth touched everyone around her. She leaves behind a beautiful legacy, children, grandchildren, and 39 great-grandchildren. What a blessing. We will miss her dearly, but her love will always remain with us. In our memory, we invite all of you to join us for our sambutan after the kotoran puasa dari tidak terdakwa. Thank you.
In addition, we would like to thank Reverend Brian Zender and our guest priest from Uganda for celebrating this Mass today, and also all the choir, all the